Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Over the last couple of weeks, and one of them was today, somebody asked a updated new Corel, and it doesn't have the macros that they had. This video hopefully is going to help them, and I'm going to have to get away from this window, but just remember most keyboards have the window key and an E. So what we're going to do, we're going to shut this down, and I'm going to go to Internet Explorer. What I call it is actually File Explorer. I'm going to grab it right here, and I'm going to go until it like flashes. Okay. And then I'm going to go Windows E, and it's going to open up another window, and I'm going to grab it, and I'm going to make it go until it flashes. So now I've got two side by side. So you're going to go to your C drive and go to Program, Files, and go to Corel Draw. And I'm going to say this is the old one, and this is my new one. So I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to go to Draw. And there is my GMS folder. So now I'm going to move over here, and I'm going to go to C drive. I'm going to go to Program Files. I'm going to go to Corel. I'm going to go to the new one, and I don't really understand what that's doing, but then I'm going to go to Draw, and there's my GMS folder. So I've already done it. So what you're going to do, if you haven't done it, and let's say these are already in there because these are Corels, but I'm just going to take it and move it over here. Now it's going to say it's already there. Access denied. I'm going to say continue, and see it's already there. So if you will do that with the entire folder, all your old macros will go into your new Corel. And then, as you can see, if we go to Tools and Scripts, this is my old macros, and I don't have them. So I'm going to open up Corel 25, and I'm going to just show you that they're all there. Now, there are some that are not there yet because I haven't moved Box It over, but I've still got both programs on my computer. I do that quite often. I'll have the two versions of Corel, and I just deal with it. So as soon as this loads up, and I'm going to grab a new file, get rid of the welcome screen, and then I can go to Tools, Scripts, and I already did it. I almost wish I hadn't now before I made the video, but I was trying to figure out how to do the split screen. So it's a little bit, it's just takes some time getting used to it to move it over and then hit your window key and E to start a new window. Anyway, I hope that answered a few questions in the future, and thank you for watching.